Hello, it's tomorrow.
Day 3?
Day 3.5.
Yeah.
So we actually feel a bit normal today. We're wearing work clothes.
And bad Air Max.
Bad Air Max work clothes. Why? Because we have to go to the track, help the lads get the cars ready, and obviously we're not going to wear good clothes doing that. So we're going to go over 7-Eleven, get some breakfast, get our shit together and get out of here. Right, so we are just about to hit Ebisu. Fucking very excited about this moment. Unfortunately today is absolutely miserable. Mightn't get so much outside footage today, but we might do a bit more background footage talking about even Connor, his car, how he acquired it, the whole lot. But it's starting to look a bit mad now pulling up here.
Here we are.
Here we go. Oh shit. This is... Connor, wipe them on the window, will you? This is crazy. Is it a camel? A camel in Japan. We're not in the desert now, are we? It's like a scene out of Jurassic Park. Let me see it. There's more cars with the wipers up. That's another thing. If anyone can let me know in the video why cars in Japan have their wipers up that are parked up, let me know. Someone is happy to see his car.
You missed it.
So here we have Connor's car.
All the matching wheels all around, those go hard.
Yeah.
Oh, so good.
Oh, fuck yes. Yes, lads.
Excited, Connor?
There's Adams.
Yeah, boys.
There's Adams Mark II. Unfortunately, we can't video too much in around people's cars out of respect for obviously people owning their own cars and probably don't want them on camera, but we'll see what we can video anyway.
There she goes. It feels like we haven't left Ireland.
Hey, do you know what the best thing is? Look at my car. Ready?
Yeah, it's hard to get homesick when the weather's like this, but the only difference is the style over here is like 10 times better than back home.
Yeah.
He's brave.
Going straight out to north.
Straight to north.
Look how steep it is and everything around here. This is just mad.
I'm not sure if that's like a warning that we are too steep and we only have like my foot's to the floor. Oh my goodness.
Cars everywhere.
Oh.
It's actually like it's Christmas or something.
Yeah. This is fucking crazy. I want to have a little car coming up there. Oh my.
This is fucking sick. Here we are. Alright, let me find the pin and get out of this weather.
Right, so we're here at ebisu here now. The boys are going out. Connor's going out in his car. I'm going out with Adam. Adam is another 8.6 head, so we're going to go out and see how this goes. So this is my first time ever even been on North course, and I'm going out with a fella twin cam man, so it's pretty insane because we both come from twin cams and this is his first powered car. Save it, save it. back in and the car is still in one piece. We went off-roading for a few minutes, but I think the car is alright.
Now we're live. I stole fucking Sham's camera, but he's a new member of Fitstop here now. He's from Cork and he has a really low Alheza, so yeah, pretty cool. I'm fucking like, that's how it should be. Fucking my kit there, fucking, and it's a great day for shorts, is it? I say we go for a fucking swim. Yeah, and you're in a kayak for rent up in Ebisu now. Yeah. What? Oh, it's just I was trying to explain to him. And I was in the car, you can't explain it. You can't. Keen's is after getting his first spin as well. Just coming over the fucking hill there, it's like da, 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 and then next thing clutch, bang, and just fucking face over the wall. It's like Jesus Christ. It's insane. You have to come here. Just have to get onto the credit union and take out the loan. I don't give a fuck. I'll put up a tent over here. I'm moving in here. I think what track are you going down to now?
Kudu or Scoopers.
It's a bit way up here now, so lads are going to try. Sorry, 1 minute. The lads are going to try another track there. We're going to stay up here because we're sheltered and it's absolutely lashing out there. So.
Oh, there's nothing worse when the jack flips up and it's not coming in. Guys, we're here at
I'm taking over Sham's channel now. We're kicking him out. I got the camera and all.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Am I kicked out?
Yeah, I got. Fuck it. It's Keen Fab now. First lap out in Ebisu. Connor's after been out for a couple laps already, so this is my first time. Absolutely buzzing, so we'll see how this goes. That's way better. Feel better, yeah?
Yeah, way better.
Holy shit! Fucking hell. Oh man, coming out over the top of that hill there, I was just like, holy shit, this is insane. Fuck me. Oh, you held it. Nearly held it. Connor's just going, putting a bit more air in the front tyres. It's just he's semi-slicks on the front and they've had a few kind of seasons on them now, and in the wet now they're just too much grip in the front for the tyres are on the back, so that's why the car is spinning out. But that was my first proper spin in Ebisu. That was unreal. The camera does not do it justice. Just does not do it justice at all. You're coming in over the top of that hill, it's just completely blind. It's just, oh, what a feeling. It's quite wet. That's our friend Connor, he's pretty cool.
What?
Are you filming? Wait, what's going on?
Oh, you start your own channel?
Yeah.
What the
and
fuck?
what?
I'm
And
join in.
Oh, no way! The gang is split.
Oh, fuck it. You had it. You fucking had it, you fucked it.
You're out there pissing them off now. Nearly.
Yeah.
Nearly never won a race though, did it?
No.
I think everyone's just nervous because Fitstop are standing here and they keep messing up the
They're judging us. Oh no, we're judging them.
Yeah,
No, we're not. We don't. Who are we to judge them? We stand here in the rain.
Yeah, I know. SR, baby.
Give it to her, Connor! 360! Alright, Connor! This just shows the level of cars here. Like, look at that. Like, this. Jesus Christ. Oh man.
They want to do a hill or two. Yeah.
They're just wanting out. Like, that man has no back window in that car. He is definitely just drowned. Do you want to give him your umbrella? This is the most miserable day ever. I apologise in advance for how bad this video may be, but we're going to shoot loads here, so I don't want to overdo it and just bore you with the same fucking corners over and over again. And it's pissing rain as well, so I'm not going to stand out in the rain either. They're those rental cars that you can get. A bit expensive, I suppose, but suit some people.
Obviously, as well.
Let's do it. Say it. There's another beautiful car. It's really nice.
What car is that?
Drifter HQ.
What's that?
I know.
This lad had the right idea, look. He's going sailing. just in case he didn't get it the first time. Sailing.
Fuck off.
Get it? Because it's wet.
I'm definitely going to get absolutely drowned if someone hits that puddle here. But, you know what? It's worth a shot. It's worth a shot. Holy shit!
Connor is going fair hard, to be fair. Like, the car sounds incredible too. That's Darnell in Barossa. He's actually after starting doing the YouTube as well, so I'm going to drop his link in the description. You want to give him a follow as well. He's out with a full road car. Fair play though. Oh, he's in there. been at ebisu. There's just kind of like bits of cars, exhausts, broken wheel nuts, bits of turbos. There's so much gone here, literally. It's probably like really good back boxes, tyres. What else is here? 32. It's just all bumpers and bits of cars. Honest to God, this is the most craziest place I've ever been in my life. Like, just no words, just no words.
Right, we're after figuring out something on this trip already, is that Connor should have bought a Nissan with an SR20 in it, because clearly
I wouldn't have made it off the fucking day.
Clearly his car is stuck on the lift here due to some technical difficulties.
Is this pumping?
Trying to get a new mascot. Sam did a sneaking paddy over in his bag. But no, basically all that happened was Keane was out driving the car just on the slab there, and we noticed oil on the ground, and we brought it up, put it on the lift, and the oil check level bung was after falling out of it somewhere, we don't know. There was a new gearbox fitted in the car last night, not by us, but it must have just not been tightened properly, but thank God we noticed it on time, because it would have been some dose to blow a brand new gearbox. Well, bye. So yeah, we're just putting a new bung in it and topping it back up with oil. It should be good to go. For more rings, isn't that right, Keane?
I blew up the gearbox.